Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing how to cut mango in 2 ways. Both of these ways give you from 0 to very little food waste. Let's begin by making a cut all the way around the mango. Peel the skin off the mango. Now it's time for the hard part. Go into the vertical cut that we made earlier and cut all the way around the core of the mango. You can glide the knife around the core of the mango for better cuts. Now you can simply cut into bite-sized pieces and serve. On this channel, I make helpful tutorials varying from a wide genre of topics. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. Cut the remaining parts of the mango off the core. As you can see, the mango core is sliced clean and there's no waste. Now, what about the second method? Well, for the first step, you'll want to cut the mango in half. Then, take the core out of the mango. For this method, you don't even need to peel the peel off. Now, all you need to do is cut the mango into bite-sized pieces and flip the mango inside out. Congratulations! Now you know how to cut a mango. Thank you so much for watching and make sure to support me by clicking that subscribe button.